Hello there, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and we have been back down to Bramley-moore Dock today to take a look at what's been happening. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a comment in the comment section below, and share the video with your family and friends as well. So, since we've been down, it's been a couple of weeks since we've been last down. As you will see in a moment, the side roof barrel cladding, I think it's called, is not far from being finished. It was extremely windy down on the waterfront today, so as you'll see, the drone nearly gets blown away a few times. Oh, there we go, it's nearly gone. But I was determined to get this shot that I'm going to show you, because the blue wall has been installed, 15,000 seats. So we're going to get round to a hopefully less windy part, if that's possible, and do a little 360 inside. So just to show you it. So let's take a look and see what's going on. So you can really get a feel of how the sides of that roof are going to look now that it's almost complete. And they have started work on the actual pitch as well, which I'm sure you're already aware of. So we're just going to get inside. Sunday, the 30th of June today. So there's nobody on site. That'll be the only ever time I would actually fly over the site, when there's no one there. So we're going to just take a quick look inside and see what's happening. See where they're up to. That front part of the roof is still yet to be complete there. The bit of cladding on the front of the roof, and then that looks like it's it. The roof looks like it's nearly more or less complete. Right, let's get inside and see what's going on. I haven't been on a while because I actually crashed my drone weeks back. Oops. So it's being repaired. Hopefully it'll just work. But I'm getting really strong wind warnings as I was doing this. But like I say, I've been determined to do this. So here it is. As you can see, there's still a few seats to be installed here and there, but the majority of the seats are now in. Little section missing there. But how good is it starting to look? It is starting to look absolutely fantastic. And obviously that pitch is on its way to being installed and completed. I've never ever took one of these shots where I'm just flying over the east side of the stand, and just going over the fan zone. So looking really good. So just because of the wind, we had to abort the a full update. But I did just want to bring you that shot that I've been meaning to do. See what I mean? The wind is just playing havoc. So just gonna get the drone out the air now. But I did just want to say, not happy. Did want to just bring you that shot before while it was empty. So we'll be back with a full update when the weather is a little bit more kind. So take care and have a great week. We'll see you very soon. There's that missing section of that side roof barrel cladding. There's just that bit to go on this side. We're going to get round to the other side just with the winds, and I did literally nearly lose my drone before. So, right, take care. See you soon.